Xin chao, saludos desde South America, or greetings from South America. I'm Mr. Runnoe, and I am here in South America in the country of Ecuador on a farm. This is a greeting and an introduction to all of my future students and parents at International School Saigon Pearl. I just wanted to send a quick video to let you know a little bit about myself and show you what I've been doing the last few months. Come on with me. So, for the last 4 months I've been traveling through South America. Right now we're in the southern tip of Ecuador, outside of the village of Vilcabamba. I'm here on a biodynamic farm and learning about agriculture. This brings me to an important point I want all of you students to remember. Never stop learning. I always take that to heart, and what you'll hear me say often is, I am a teacher, but I'm also a student. This year, I took it upon myself to be a student of agriculture, but also of Spanish. I've been taking Spanish lessons in South America while I travel. I am on the last month of my journey as I travel back to the north, to the city of Quito, which is the capital city of Ecuador. For those of you that don't know, Ecuador is a small country in the very northern part of South America. And agriculture is a big fancy word which just means farming, or raising crops, vegetables, and other plants for use for eating, drinking, and other uses. Come with me and we can see some of the farm. If you look off to the right here, we have a greenhouse. This greenhouse is for many organic produce, such as tomatoes and other leafy greens like lettuce, kale, and chard. Now the reason that they have this greenhouse is because there's many insects in the region that will feast on the fruits and the leaves before they actually get ripe enough to eat. So what this does is it protects them from the insects and other elements of the weather in the area. Okay? Right now we are in a valley. A valley is a small indentation in between some mountains. If you can look around here, we have actually quite a few taller mountains. This is called the Churrusco Valley. The mountains help to protect the valley from a lot of weather, wind, and other harmful forces that might damage the animals and plants of this region. If we come further, we might be able to meet some of the animals on the farm. Come on with me. Well, as you can see, this is a dairy farm. We have cows. This is the mother cow. We're milking her right now. She just gave birth to a calf only 8 weeks ago. Okay? I think the baby's around here somewhere. There's also a few donkeys in the background which you might see. Perhaps we'll go a little bit closer. As we watch the cow graze, I'll talk a little bit more about myself. So I've been teaching mostly 3rd grade in Seattle, Washington, United States for many years now. And I've learned a lot about different cultures since there's been many cultures at my school at Wing Luke Elementary, which is on the south side of Seattle, Washington. But I'm very excited to be learning more about different cultures as I travel to Vietnam this next year and spend the next year teaching you at International School Saigon Pearl. 2nd grade. right, students and families, before I leave you, I want to leave you with one more last important message. Don't forget to keep learning over the summer. Keep reading, keep asking questions about the world to your parents and those around you that you trust. And I hope to see you next year, where not only can I teach you something, but I'll learn something from you as well. Adios.